So my name is Anamica. I graduated from the class of 2019. I would say with my graduating class, I'm actually in touch with most of them. I would say everyone's very hardworking. Everyone's built a pretty strong work ethic, and I think that does stem from your earlier years in education at Urban Academy. Also, a lot of the people in my class are willing to take a lot of risks and try new things, whether that's just taking new classes or putting themselves in a whole different minor like I did, going from sciences to jumping into a minor in linguistics. Personally, when I went to school here, I was involved in a lot of extracurricular activities, especially we did a lot of musical theater. I was involved in choir and band, and I personally went straight into sciences when I went to SFU, but I feel like the skills that I gained in musical theater and band and choir all really helped with my communication skills and public speaking, and it's made me very confident in the way I communicate and present myself in different settings like conferences or in classrooms or even speaking with other professionals in university or with my colleagues. So I think that there's lots of components at Urban Academy that really make you a stronger individual. I just recently last year completed my Bachelor of Science in Health Sciences and did an extended minor of linguistics. I will be soon going to Oregon to complete my Doctorate of Audiology at Pacific University, so I'm very excited for that. We had a pretty tight community with teachers and students as well. So I had a lot of support from teachers and being able to make those connections that you necessarily wouldn't be able to make in really large classrooms. So I always appreciated that. Also transitioning to university, of course the teachers knew that we would be going to a much larger scale environment. So they always provided us with support and resources that we can access during that transition, whether that's shooting them an email or dropping by to chat with them. So that was always nice and made our transition pretty smooth. During my bachelor degree, I did a lot of volunteer work. So I volunteered in stroke recovery groups with a lot of different ages. Specifically in this one, it was with seniors with aphasia. So that was very fulfilling actually to be a part of and be with them for many years. And I also did a lot of volunteer work with children as well, volunteering with speech language pathologists, also known as SLPs. So all of that volunteer work that I've done, I've been pretty proud of it, alongside completing my bachelor's, which was another milestone that I'm pretty proud of.